name is Justin Johnson. I am currently a student at Tennessee Tech University, which is in Cookeville, Tennessee. I am majoring in electrical engineering with a concentration in mechatronics, and if you guys don't know what that is, it's basically just a couple extra mechanical engineering classes. I'll be graduating next May, so in a year, which is pretty great. I actually started out as a physics major, and then I found out I didn't really like the theory aspect of physics. I like the applied version of physics, which is basically just engineering. And then electrical engineering has been something that always fascinated me, just how things were powered, how things worked. It was always kind of magical, and now that I've taken all the classes, it's still very magical, but it's a lot more interesting, and I understand at least the concepts of it more. So, I heard about them a couple years, my freshman year. You guys actually came to my career fair, and I saw you guys in there, and I was kind of interested in them, so I did some research on my own for the next year. And then also, there was an intern last year who came from Tennessee Tech, who I'm actually friends with, and he told me a lot about the experience, and he kind of opened my eyes to it and made me really interested in it, so that's why I decided to pursue this a little bit more. There's been a lot of good things here at Dynetics. I've had a lot of fun, but I think the thing that I enjoyed most, or that I'm taking away the most, is just the fact that I learned so much while I was here. I had never done anything with radar, and that's actually what I've been working on. So in the first week, they pretty much handed me a textbook and said, go read, go learn. And that was something I enjoyed a lot, because it showed how Dynetics was really interested in making sure that their employees knew the material and continued to grow and learn as an engineer. So I appreciated that the most. And I did a lot more extra learning with not just radar, but radar, acronyms were a good one. I learned a lot about those. And about what they stood for. A lot of software. I did a lot with Simulink and MATLAB, which I had done a little bit in school, but nothing to this extent. I came in here thinking I was at least semi-decent, and then I'm leaving now realizing I was terrible coming in. And now I'm leaving a little bit competent, so that's what I enjoyed the most. I definitely feel that what I've learned here has given me a huge advantage over a lot of the other students in class. I'm going to be able to go back and just breeze through a lot of the MATLAB programming that we do in class to help me. Which will be phenomenal, because some of the other students will be stuck behind on that. Also, something I learned a lot here was the fact that even though I don't need a certain MATLAB script to do what I want, I could do it on my own individually and program it to help me just in life applications. For instance, I could go and now program a MATLAB script to keep track of all my finances, and it's kind of cool to be able to know that I created that and I know exactly what it's doing versus using